Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. Gonna see if I can hold it together here. So, I just had someone stop by. They got an exhaust leak coming up in from their front pipe on their truck, and they want a state inspection. Anyway, so I'm losing it. Sorry. So they want an inspection, but I can't do it with that exhaust leak. They were kind of upset about that, and it says you can't have carbon monoxide coming into your car. It can make you fall asleep at the wheel, pass out. It could kill you. And the guy says, "Oh, I'm going to move out of state anyway. I'm going to move to Florida where they don't have to worry about that stuff." And he goes, "Besides, I got one of these to wear." Stay tuned. I'm going to talk more about a flex pipe and what it does. Alright everyone, so this is your tailpipe. This is where your exhaust is just supposed to come out. And this is your muffler, which quiets everything down. And this is your intermediate pipe right here. And we come up to the catalytic converter, which can be quite pricey when it comes time to replace that. But right up here is the flex pipe. A lot of vehicles have this type of system where the pipe is designed to flex as the engine torques. As you accelerate, it will twist. It's designed to bend. Over time, what can happen is they can leak. Now, why is it dangerous to have a leak up front? Well, carbon monoxide poisoning. This one's not leaking. I'm just showing you for example. But what can happen is the carbon monoxide can travel up over the firewall into the venting system, which is right below your cowl. If you look at the cowl where your windshield wipers are, there's a series of holes. And what that's designed to do is allow air to come into your cabin. And if you have an exhaust leak, it's going to also allow carbon monoxide to enter in there. So take it seriously. If you have an exhaust leak up front, get it fixed. I mean, you know, instead of putting yourself and your family in danger, get it fixed. Don't mess around with carbon monoxide. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. That would be even better. Drive safe, everyone. Have a good night.